Hey there, Mike the Tiger! It's finally time for LSU football. Do you remember all of your Tiger cheers? How about first down? No, Mike, that's not it at all. It looks like we're going to have a refresher course, so you aren't considered such a square or a poor sport. Remember your short-lived stint as a weather forecaster, Mike? It didn't go so well. All the pointing had you a little confused, and you randomly would break into the first down cheer. It's a family wedding, Mike. Not many people know the origin of the second down cheer. Mike's uncle, BG the Tiger, modified his famous sprinkler dance and incorporated it into the magic of second down. It's the year 1949. Mike's cousin, twice removed, Rocky the Tiger, was a member of the national championship boxing team. He was famous for his peculiar punching style and unique celebration. Later, his life story was made into a major motion picture, but you may recognize it as the cheer for third down. Okay, Mike, now it's time to do the cheer for Chinese Bandits. Not that kind of bandit. I'm talking about the cheer LSU fans do when there's a great defensive stand. The term Chinese Bandits was the nickname Coach Paul Dietzel gave to a group of defensive players in 1958 when LSU won its first national championship. This place should look familiar. It's the den where Mike likes to build model airplanes. This is where Neck was born. He never was very good with glue. So let's do a quick recap, Mike. First down, point to the warm front. Second down, you disco. Third down, you're boxing. Fourth down, you're not worthy. And neck, you're trying to get airplane pieces off of your paw. Got it, Mike? Now get out there and cheer on your Tigers.